We did a.
All right, Judge, Mr. Kagan is here.
Yeah, it's booting up live on YouTube here. Okay. And then it's Philip Lawrence. Is that the case?
Yes, Judge.
All right. This is cause number 724-293, State of Texas. Philip Lawrence. Are you Philip Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Lawrence. Can you raise your right hand for me, sir? We're going to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth to help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You can put your hand down. Mr. Lawrence, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Lawrence, you are charged with the offense of a false police report. That is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in a Bexar County jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lawrence, you have several legal rights, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case, which means you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Lawrence, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like for you in front of that same jury. Do you understand you have those rights, sir?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, Mr. Lawrence, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right. But if you want to give them up, sir, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Lawrence, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
Great. Because these documents tell me, sir, that you do understand what you're charged with. You understand the range of punishment. And then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Lawrence, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Great. And I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Lawrence, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, it will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. You understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lawrence, do me a favor, sir. Just listen up. The state of Texas here is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 6 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Gary Kagan, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Lawrence, is that what you agreed to? Mr. Lawrence, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, Jerry, does Mr. Lawrence have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, he does.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, he has.
Your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
He is.
All right, Mr. Philip Lawrence, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lawrence, please tell me how you pleaded the Class A misdemeanor offense of false police report. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, jury.
All right. You understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Lawrence, has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Lawrence. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of the Class A misdemeanor false police report. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, 6 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served, Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Lawrence, you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, good luck to you, sir. You take care of yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Thanks,
Bye,
Jerry.
Judge.
Bye. Teresa, is that it? We can get off YouTube?
Yes, and Miss Vasquez, yes, you can get off of YouTube, Judge. Miss Vasquez,